Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to teach you two professional methods to create a perfect noise texture background in Photoshop, perfect for adding a cinematic or vintage touch to your designs. Whether you are aiming for a gritty overlay or a subtle grain, these simple techniques will save you time and improve your workflow significantly. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find these design tips helpful, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more weekly Adobe tutorials. Let us jump right in. Starting with our first method, which is the fastest way to get results, open Photoshop and create a brand new document. Navigate to the top menu, click on Layer, then select New Fill Layer and choose Solid Color. Pick any color you like. A neutral gray or muted tone works best for a base. Once your layer is ready, make sure it's selected, then go up to the Filter menu, select Noise, and click on Add Noise. In the dialog box, set your amount to somewhere between 5 and 15%, depending on how heavy you want that grain to look. Ensure your distribution is set to Gaussian, and most importantly, check the monochromatic box to keep the colors clean. Click OK, and you have an instant grainy background. Now, for those who want a more professional, nuanced result, let us look at Method 2. Create a new empty layer, then go to Edit and choose Fill. From the drop-down menu, select 50% gray and hit OK. Now go back into Filter, Noise, and Add Noise again. This time, set your amount higher, around 20 to 30%, keeping the Gaussian and monochromatic settings active. Now here's the secret to making it look professional. Change the layer blend mode from normal to overlay or soft light. This blends the grain perfectly into your design without washing out your colors. Finally, if the grain feels a little too sharp for your liking, you can soften it by going to Filter, Blur, and selecting Gaussian Blur. A tiny setting of just 0.3 to 0.5 pixels is all you need to take that harsh digital edge off, leaving you with a highly refined, professional texture. I hope this guide helps you level up your projects. If these tips were useful, remember to like and subscribe for more design secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.